Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. If you caught the fish taco video, you might remember what I said. I wanted to do something that's fresh caught. And today I'm feeling inspired to do maybe some spicy crayfish, Jamaican style, but I don't know where I can get crayfish at this time or who possibly I could link up with to make this even happen. I did have a supplier, but they flaked on me. I don't know if you guys have any suggestions. Maybe you can drop in the comments or know like who could I link up with to make this happen, because I need to make this dish. You know what, funny enough, I remembered a friend of mine said all I needed to do was just this one thing. So I remember him giving me this note and it just says, if you need help, sing the song. Sing the song. What song? What on earth? Wait. He did give me another piece of paper. Okay. Did this dude really write this song down on this page? Like, what is this supposed? Anyway. For the fun of it, yo. Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream until our last breath. What the hell just happened just now? Like, is it just me or did you guys actually see this? Like, I'm so freaking happy I have this filmed on camera. Like, what the actual... Okay. If you guys have any idea of who I'm talking about here and the song is, maybe if we sing this like all the way through, like, all right, this is the dumbest thing ever, yo. But let's do it. Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes and the ground spins, still our last breath. Every heartbeat.
Bro, if you guys don't want to be on an adventure like this, do not sing that dude's intro freaking song, bro. Yo, who we have right here, so? Yo, vibes. We are here. Vanilla, did you see where I was, yo? Did you sing the intro song? Shoot.
All right, guys, so all the stuff right now being unpacked and everything. So we're there. I guess the overall goal for this trip, like I said in the beginning of the video, we want to try to cook something that's traditional, probably some Jamaican pepper shrimp or something of the sort. And you don't know, running the Raj is going to be the best opportunity to actually catch something fresh. So we're there, so by the river. And this river is a river that generally just travels all the way down into Spanish Bridge. So yeah, we know that we've caught a bunch of shrimp, crayfish, whatever you want to call it, janga, in Spanish Bridge. So hopefully we can find some up here to, actually achieve this goal for today. So we're there, so with the spearfishing team, bunch of people. Introduce themselves really quick.
Kevin from Spanish Bridge.
Yo, the man just gone into the nice visor, everything. Kevin from Spanish Bridge. So you are like a tour operator or something like that?
Yeah.
Man.
From Spanish Bridge. Yeah,
so if people want to feel like come down here so and just link you, any contact, any Instagram?
Instagram Spanish_bridge. You can find me on there and just DM me and just get anything you want to do.
Mad, there's a vibe. You see me, and over here, so you have to introduce them, man, already. You see me? And over here, so we have the orange eater. Marissa.
Yeah.
Marissa is here, you see me? I've met you a couple of times already, Celia, you see me? And then who is this?
Pablo.
We can already tell in the group there's always somebody who will love them belly, We can tell that this is the one. This is the one who will love them belly. You see me? So we're there and thing. This is a tool for the day, right? Yep. The traditional.
Yeah, pole spear.
Yeah, pole spear. Them you can find on Amazon for like 30 bucks.
No, 50.
50?
50?
How you bring this in?
Ship it in.
You ship it in?
Yeah.
And you have the clearance thing same way?
Yeah man, mine go through smooth.
Smooth. Yeah, so this is the technology with this is just a rubber band. There's no trigger system or anything. Pull this across the back of your arm. So Roger go demonstrate really quick.
My palm first. Rubber. Like that. See? You pull it like this. You can level it with the arm.
Yeah.
Yes.
So a spear like this don't have enough power to kill like a barracuda.
Yeah, like if it longer,
Yeah.
you have more power.
Power.
Yeah.
Okay.
But like this is just short, you just
More like shallow water type of fishing.
shallow.
Mad.
Jump crayfish or whatever.
Mad. Yo, now jump back to that video when we did a shoot. But I kill the spearfish with the regular pipe.
Oh, the thing with
The bushcraft type of, yeah, same technology.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
There's a world inside my head. I get lost in it from time to time. No one has a spare key. The only one is inside of me. Go. I don't really dare to escape. Fall out in another space. So I stay. Hey. Oh, here we go. It's overflow. There's a war in me tonight. I try to stop it by escaping it. This game has lost its fun.
That was pretty easy. That's exactly her setup at 10. Anyway, so there I saw the Raj. Chat with Raj yesterday, Raj say, Soai, you wanna know what's a bit on big jerk chicken bando?
Big jerky.
Big jerky, I know. So I go run off the boat today.
Yeah.
You see me?
But
So,
first, we want to see if we can get some crayfish or something on the river before
Yeah.
we start jerking things, is it?
mad. So this
Damn
is
bad.
a liquor pan. Can drop some coal under the base there, so. And the best part about it, yo, the chicken is in the refrigerator. Water is pretty cold, so yeah. Alright, so everybody have them 10 set up. 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's a whole vibe. I already know you guys are gonna be asking about the location. Trust me, if you have a 4x4 vehicle, there's no freaking way you're gonna reach up there. It's like we went through some bombard, somebody up there, so a Jew at this.
Watch me, just follow every move. Touch me, let me know you want it too. Don't have what you need, but I got what you want, babe. No, we don't have to leave. The night is still young. All we need is now.
We swing with song there, dad. Yo, you see swing song? Yeah, go bust a dive off, man.
Alright guys, so right now we are leave the tent and the home base behind, so we are the road right now. So you don't know, on the side it's a vibe. You see me? You always know being a sideman is the best thing, you know. No problem. You understand? Yeah, man.
Oh, Rumba, rumba, rumba. Take off that. Rumba, rumba. Take off that. Go over to your left.
One hand drive. Oh, yes, down a tongue. Now go down, sir.
Make sure you have a fear.
Make sure you don't have no fear. Yeah, man. Out. Alright guys, so right now we're basically trying to find a good spot or river where we can, you know, find some crayfish at. So we just traverse through this little bushy ends here. You understand? Hold on tight. But it's all about the adventure.
Go on here, Ross. Wrong place you go.
No. Wait up a top. So excited!
That's a nice one. Yeah? Whoa, 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 whoa!
Ready when you're ready. Hold on, driver, hold on, driver. How far draw this from the house top? Now here, wait through on the top.
Guys, I went to it for the top. Yup, then go tonight. Hold on, driver. Come back. Watch the tree. Hold on, driver. My drive. You look camper sometimes. That's sometimes we look camper. I like that. Get a room. Road, you say? No mercy. No mercy. No mercy.
You know that thing they say about having too much fun? No? Well, I guess I'll have to tell you about that on the next upload.